Ako naman po si Father Toots, T-O-O-T-S. Kasi a lot of people would pronounce my name wrongly, Tots or Tax. So, I'm Father Toots, Father of the Order of Carmelites from the Philippines!
Ibang level, kapatid ha. Parang nung isang gabi, nasa rally lang tayo.
Alright, kahapon. Ako kanto sa gabi pa.
Wala tayong sa rally, pinapaalala ko lang sa'yo.
Okay, so kami po yung MCs, whether you like it or else.
So how are you today, mga kapatid?
I will say good. It is our feast day, World Day of Consecrated Life.
And at the same time, we are celebrating the Jubilee for consecrated persons.
The Jubilee of Hope. I understand our internationalists here. They